Hi, how you doing? Gary Port for NY Divorce Facts. Here with, well, who's first in line as always? Matcha, Azuki, and the two teals. Yuzu, Koshou. I think a couple of videos ago I mentioned how Matcha will love to bite my fingers, but he's amazingly gentle when I have food in it. I mean, I can take the smallest piece, and Azuki's the same way, the smallest piece, and they're so gentle pulling that out of my hand without hurting me at all. But if I put my hand near him without food, you see he's biting me. Green cheeks are very bitey. My daughter Sarah joked, it's my fault because I shouldn't have fingers. If I didn't have fingers, Matcha wouldn't feel the need to bite them. We are now at number 10 of our 11 divorce myths. This myth has to do with where can you get the divorce. I get people call me all the time saying, well, I got married in Las Vegas. Can I get divorced in New York? The issue of divorce, of where to get divorced, is something called jurisdiction. Each state has different rules of jurisdiction. Some states say you have to live there for 6 months. New York says you have to live in New York for 1 year. One party has to live in New York for 1 year, and then we can get you the divorce. So I don't care if you were married in Michigan or California. Have you lived in New York for 1 year? If the answer is yes, well, then you can get divorced in New York. That's the only issue that we look at. Now, another issue is length of time. I get people asking me, can I get divorced? I've only been married a month. The answer is no, you can't, because the statute says in order to have a no-fault divorce, you've got to have a breakdown of the marital relations for 6 months or more. And if you've been married a month, you don't have the 6-month mark. So you have to have been married at least 6 months and have lived in New York for 1 year. If you have any questions on divorce, give me a call at Port and Sava, 516-352-2999 at Port and Sava. We help you get on with the rest of your life.